Right, so I've just got this new little toy, so quite excited about this one. I've been waiting a long time for this one coming. I ordered this over a year ago. So it's Nano Nation RC. So it's a little excavator, 1/64 scale excavator. So there's a little sample of nano earth. That's nice little packaging, nice little box. Lovely little boxes that. So we've got word on my vehicle, don't use gravel or sand on the digger. Just a little card there from the manufacturer, and a little instruction book here. I'll read through that one later. So yeah, it's really nice packaging, nice little box packaging and everything, really good. So got a couple of spare little batteries with this kit here, and with the little batteries and a charger. USB, not sure about that one, USB-C, and a couple of little spares there. So this is it, this is a little digger. So you can see, really small. It's got the battery in there. And the little controller as well. So this was a Kickstarter project that's come together. That's why I've been waiting so long. Jonathan, who's made this and designed this and everything, he had a lot of problems with getting things together and getting it sorted out, but eventually it's arrived here, so we'll get this charged up and give this a run. We've got a bit of charge in this now. So this is the controller. It's got a USB port in the bottom to charge it. You can change your battery as well if you need to do. And a little on and off switch slider button there. 3 indicators here for lights that have different functions. Your orange light, which is your bottom, that's for your charging light. You've got the middle light, which is blue, and that's for your Bluetooth connection. And then you've got top red light, that's for low battery, power on and low battery. So you see there, that's power on if that one flashes low battery. So that's the controller. So on the little digger here, we've got USB-C port at the back, which you can do a direct charge. Otherwise we've got the little battery which is in this compartment here that you can charge up separate and change if you need to do that. And then we've got a little switch here, side of the digger on. So that's powered up now. So this has got various functions, 2 forward, 2 for here, turn left, turn right, swing 360. Up and down. If you press the button in the top there, that puts it to another function for the bucket. You have to bear with me for this. I've no idea really at the moment. I do need some practicing. So you can see you've got a full function there. Not too fast, but it's certainly fast enough. I'll have a bit more practicing with that. So I've put Nano Earth, which is cork granules, into a couple of containers just to get some practice in and a feel for the controls. I've noticed it is very responsive, and there's enough power as well to even drive it about, operate the bucket and rotate the body all together. So that's a good thing. It looks well made as well. It's very realistic in its design and its operation as well. It just looks like a real digger the way it can dig about. Obviously I need a lot more practice to get fluid in the operation so that it looks a lot better when I'm driving about. It's a dig pit. I bought some more cork granules. So I got the files for this pit off Makerwill, so thanks go out to Paul Wastel, who's designed this. For any new information on this digger, you can visit Nano Nation's website, or they've got a Facebook group as well, Nano Nation's RC community, which has a lot of helpful advice on there about the little digger. So if you're after something just to use indoors over the winter months, and you're after something that's just a little bit different, this little digger will keep you occupied for quite a while. So right, as usual, thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe if you like it. Thanks very much.